Alright, guys. Alright, guys. I'm gonna try it at Fry's. I'm gonna try to buy this one, and then I'm gonna buy this one, and buy this one, and then include buying this one. But it should be like $1,000. But just try to do a budget. Please, like I'm trying to buy this. I'm trying to buy a Razer keyboard, and I'm trying to buy a mechanical keyboard, and I want it like this. I saw my friend just hear this shit ever since I just went with phone called. Alright, guys. Alright. Let's do a sound test. Let's do a sound test. Alright, let's do a sound test. Okay. Okay. Let's see. See you next. Okay. Okay. Alright, this is a sound test. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, let me see. I got something. Let me see. Okay. This is a sound test already. So yeah. Okay. This is a sound test. Okay. Okay. Let me see how to do next. Okay. Alright. Okay. I'm about to buy this. I'm about to buy the rainbow. I'm about to buy the mechanical keyboard, but I'm gonna buy the rainbow one. So I'm gonna buy the Razer keyboard. I'm gonna buy the mechanical one and buy a gaming PC. I just okay. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. This is a mechanical keyboard test. So please comment on my videos, and what do we see next? So yeah, thanks for watching.